In a world where you can be anything, be kind. That's just a quote which I like, so I put this. Okay, so today we are going to solve one question of vector, and from examination point of view, I have seen and observed that from in various universities, this question came very often. I think twice in last 6-7 years. So it's very important from examination point of view, and you guys should see this till end so that you guys can know how to solve this thing. Okay, so let's just see this. So basically what we have to do is we have to put left hand side equals to right hand side. It's the simplest thing, but it came in 7 to 8 marks, and it's a very easy scoring thing. So left hand side, we're going to take left hand side first, only left hand side actually. Gradient square f dash x, and we're going to see how we'll get here. It's very simple, it's extremely simple. Let's just do it. We all know is a del by del x plus del by del y plus del by del z k cap I cap j cap. Okay, here it will be del by del x I cap plus del by del y j cap plus del by del z k cap into whole multiplication of fr, and we are going to solve this thing. This I multiply by I for I it will be square plus del square by del y square, j for j plus z for z, k for k. This thing will come. Okay, now let's see. For this thing, for del square by del x square and for del square by del z square or for del square by del y square, if we put this thing here or this thing here, the value will be same. No change will be in these things. So we can write this as summation of del square by del x square into f dash r. We can also write yz because it's all our what you call same thing, nothing is it, but I'm writing x because x is more common, I believe. And from here nothing remains much, just we are going to simplify this thing, and we are going to you all going to see we are going to reach the answer very soon, extremely soon. We can write this thing as del by del x bracket del by del x, this is a square fr, and let's just partially differentiate this thing. When you partially differentiate then it will be f dash by r, and since we're differentiating with x, it will be dr by dx. And here is the only thing which you guys should know, that we are solving this question thinking of a square. So equation will be x square y square z square equals to r square, and when we partially differentiate this with x, with with x, it will be 2r del r by del x equals to 2x. This and this thing will be 0, so we can write that dr by dx equals to 2 will be cancelled, x by r. Del r by del x equals to x by r. This thing you are going to use 2-3 times from here, and this thing is really simple. Okay, let's just put the value. Let's just put the value which is x by r. Now also one more time we have to just simplify this thing. What we are seeing in this canvas, we are going to just solve this thing. Okay, what we are saying is we have to use product rule now to multiply this shits. Okay, so using product rule, and now we are going to use quotient rule here. Since it's let me tell you quotient rule. What is quotient rule? Quotient rule is u differentiation v minus v differentiation u upon v square. If this is in a division form, if it is in a u by v form. I think you guys know what quotient rule is, but since it's my I'm a greatest teacher you can have in your lifetime. It's my duty to tell you guys. Okay, anything, anyway, anyways, okay, that thing will come by solving this with quotient rule, v square, u differentiation v minus v and all those shits, plus when we do with when we partially differentiate this with x, it will be that this thing will remain as it is, and del r by del x will be here. Okay, now let's just see. Nothing remains, just simplification. All are just simplification. We are going to put this here, we're going to put this here. First of all, we're going to put the value here, del r by del x. Okay, let's just see what we're going to do. It will be let's just put r for instance, and del r by del x is equals to x by r. So putting this here, it will be x square by r. Okay, and here it is r square plus f double differentiation of r into it is in del r by del x, as I said already 2-3 times, it's x by r, so it will be x square by r square. Cool. It will be x square by r square. It will be x square by r square. Okay, now we are going to simplify this more. We are going to simplify this thing even more. So it will be this by this will be 1 by r minus x square by r to the power 3. Cool. Okay, and this thing will all, we have already simplified this thing a lot, I guess, so we can't simplify it much. Let's just write this thing as it is. Okay, more, let's see, more simplification is possible or not. Yeah, it's possible. Let's just simplify it a little bit more. It will be f dash r by r, this multiplication by this, and f dash r by x square by r to the power 3. Okay, plus, yeah, it's already simplified. This shit is already simplified. Okay, now let's just see. Now what we are going to do here is we're going to remove that sigma. We're going to remove that sigma. So if we remove that sigma, all the thing will become, since it right now it is only with respect to x, there will be x plus y plus z. All thing will become just multiplied by 3 or become 3, because sigma sign is removed and x y z all thing came here in a picture. So when we do that, it's very simple. Here it will be 3, since it's for x y and z, it will be 3r, and it will remain that. Let's just put here x square plus y square and z squared, since it's the sigma sign is removed now, by r to the power 3 is there, plus here is f double differentiation r, and same thing will happen for this thing also, x square plus y square plus z square by r square. Okay, now no need to put bracket, I guess, because sigma sign is removed, but not, okay, as if I have to complete this thing. Now let's just see what we have done. And the value of x square plus y square plus z square is r square, as I told you guys in the early part of the question also. So I need to put the value here. X square plus y square plus z square is r square by r to the power 3 plus double differentiation of r, and here also it will be r square by r square. Let me tell you, I told you guys earlier this thing, but if you guys are short-term memory loss patient or something, this is the thing, x square plus y square plus z. So since we're thinking it as a sphere and all those things, you know. Okay, now what we are going to do is we don't really have to do much thing, because this is cut, and this thing is cut. Let's just write the value. The value, final value which we got is this minus f dash r plus f double dash r, and let's just simplify this thing. When we simplify this thing, let's just change the color. Let's just have some light color. this thing will become f double dash r, f double dash r, this thing. And when we take LCM of this thing, it will be, I guess, 2, yeah, 2 f dash r by 3r. Okay, so now we have to check that this is equals to right hand side or not. This is equals to right hand side or not. Yeah, this is equals to right hand side. F double dash r plus 2 by r f dash r. Let's see. F double dash r plus 2 f double dash r by 3r. So this is equals to right hand side. So that's how you're going to solve this question. This is basically a very simple question, and very extremely simple question actually. You just don't have to do anything in that question. Only few things which you have to remember is that that is a question which we put the values here, and all those things happened. This thing you have to remember. We're taking for a sphere. This thing you have to remember, and organically it is solved, you know, step by step. You're all going to know this thing. Quotient rule, and yeah, it's very simple thing, as I said this third time. So it's a very important question, guys. Do solve this question by your own at least 2 to 3 times, because probability is that this question will come in 7 marks in your examination, and it's a very interesting topic to learn also. So I hope you guys like the video, and do share with your friends so that they can also get 7 marks. Don't be little tacky or something that you only want to score by yourself because you are too mean or something, you don't like your friend or something, any jealousy or something. Whatever. So thank you for watching. I hope you guys like the video. Do like, share, and comment if you have any doubt or something. Thank you.